Abantu abakhishwe kulesi sakhiwo bathi bachithe ubusuku bonke emgwaqeni.
Ngine family yami lo. Balale kule sofanyana lelo libona la. Because there was no access for us into the place.
Sinabantwana apha abancinci, sinosisi, sinotata abahamba ngewheelchair ebebethathwa ngathi balahlwa kudoti. Xa yona ibinokwenzeka abantwaneni babo bacifana ba inoba ingangena kanjani.
Omunye walabantu uthi utshelwe ukuthi akasiye owakulelizwe futhi ukulelizwe ngokungemthetho.
Kuthiwa thina siyama-foreigner. I've got ID. I was born and bred in South Africa. And I've got a lease. I didn't invade. We believe everyone here staying in this complex has a lease.
Obhekele umnyango wezokuhlaliswa kwabantu ekomidini lemeya eRuleni uthi abenzanga iphutha ngokubakhipha labantu njengoba amarekhodi abanawo afakazela ukuthi bebengakhokhi.
People were claiming that they got evicted because they've been paying. They were not paying to the city or to the EHC. They were paying to someone else of which they don't want to disclose.
Kusenjalo, umnyango zasekhaya eJermiston uphoqeke ukuthi namhlanje usebenzele emahhovisini awo angomahamba nendlwana. Kulandela ukuba amahhovisi awo ecekelwe phansi izolo. Iphini likaNgqongqoshe walomnyango ligxekile lokhu.
This is unacceptable. I mean, anyone who should be walking and saying, well, anyone is justified to do this, I think they must come and see the damage that is being done here. This is completely unacceptable. And we'll make sure that we exact authority of the state. The state must exact authority by bringing all those who are culprits who have done this to this infrastructure to book.
Umnyango zasekhaya uthi awukakazi ukuthi kuzodla malini ukulungisa lo monakalo.